When Apple claimed the iPhone 17 Pro Max had the equivalent of a 200mm telephoto lens thanks to its new 8x zoom mode, jaws dropped. A smartphone matching the power of a prosumer camera lens? It was a bold claim, and the photography world noticed. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. The iPhone's 48-megapixel sensor cropping down to a 12-megapixel center mimics a 200mm focal length, just like the beloved Sony Alpha A6000, paired with its 18 to 200mm zoom lens. But when the two were put side by side in the field, the differences quickly came into focus. Scene after scene, from the shadows of Bryant Park to neon-lit backdrops and performers in motion, Sony consistently outclassed the iPhone. The A6000 delivered richer detail, more natural colors, and deeper bokeh. Its optical zoom and larger APS-C sensor simply captured more without computational enhancements trying to guess. We won't say the iPhone didn't impress. For a smartphone, its reach and clarity at 8x are outstanding. It delivered bright, social media-ready photos and handled dynamic lighting with confidence. But in the pursuit of brightness and balance, the iPhone often overexposed shadows, lost depth, and introduced noise where the Sony remained clean. And the ultimate final boss, moon tests sealed the deal. While Apple's camera did better than expected, its digital trickery couldn't compete with a properly tuned manual shot from Sony. In the end, Apple delivered an impressive leap forward in smartphone photography, but not a replacement for a true zoom lens. The iPhone 17 Pro Max fits in your pocket and does everything except beat a real camera at its own game. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.